Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking. Today I am making a delicious jalapeno popper baked chicken. This is just fantastic. It combines that jalapeno popper with baked chicken, so you cannot go wrong. It is just simply delicious. It's super easy to make. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. So you will need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/4 cup each of shredded cheddar cheese and parmesan cheese. And then you'll need 2 to 3 jalapenos, 2 garlic cloves, 4 slices of bacon, and some salt and pepper. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these jalapenos. All right, so I am going to remove the seeds and the ribs in here. So that will leave me with these jalapeno rings. All right, then I'm going to take my bacon and I'm going to cut it into like 4 sections. All right, then you will want to take your chicken breasts and we're going to slice them. Now be careful, you don't want to slice it all the way through. You just want to create some slices that go almost all the way through the chicken, but not quite. This is like a Hasselback chicken breast here. Just like that. All right, so my chicken, my bacon, and my jalapenos are all ready. Now I'm going to take all this cheese and blend it together in a separate bowl. All right, I'm going to mince my garlic. And I'm going to add a good pinch of salt, a couple pinches of salt, and a good pinch of black pepper. And then I'm just going to mix this up. So I've placed my chicken on a sheet tray that I've covered with aluminum foil and sprayed with some nonstick spray. Now I'm going to take my bacon and I'm just going to put a piece of bacon in between each of these slices. And then a couple jalapeno. And then some of this cream cheese mixture. And I'm just going to kind of shove it down in those slices. All right, then I'm just going to sprinkle some salt over top and a little bit more black pepper. Well, doesn't this chicken already look delicious? But I'm going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my goodness, guys. Just look at this chicken, this jalapeno popper stuffed baked chicken. Yum. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is so delicious. I really hope that you guys give this a try. The chicken is nice and tender and juicy with that creamy cheese and the spice from the jalapenos. Oh, and then of course the bacon. The bacon. How could I forget the bacon? It just adds such a delicious flavor. This is good. Okay, well thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.